Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vanessa. Do y'all notice any difference in the video quality? Because your girl got herself a camera. Alright, so I bought myself the Sony ZV-1 camera. This is my graduation gift. This is actually my first time actually really using this camera. I also bought accessories for this camera. I bought myself multiple graduation gifts, including paying for my study abroad trip, which I am leaving for today. So welcome to my study abroad vlog. So today's video is going to be me packing and me traveling to London, and this is going to be a whole series. We're going to different cities, doing different things. The course I'm taking is called Medicine, Microbiology, and Health. It's run by two US professors. The funny thing is that our final exam is a portfolio of like the entire trip, and I asked my professor like, okay, like what exactly, like what can we turn in? And she said we can be creative with our portfolio. And I was like, so can I submit a video? And she was like, yeah, she loves like people being creative with their assignments and everything. So since I'm already vlogging this whole trip, you guys are actually seeing my portfolio for my final exam for my study abroad trip. So today's Saturday, May 7th. My flight is at 6:45 p.m. I plan on leaving my house at around 2 o'clock, hopefully by 2. I haven't packed. I got home to Miami 2 days ago, but I got home like at nighttime. And then yesterday I spent my entire day doing my hair. I did goddess braids. If y'all can see it. Y'all can see the work. A lot of tears and pain went into this hairstyle. It literally took my entire day yesterday. I couldn't even pack when I was in Gainesville because I shipped all of my clothes to my house. So I haven't even tried my outfits from Shein. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning, so I still have some time. This is actually my first time ever leaving the country. So I'm actually super nervous. I'm super stressed. I feel like once I pack and like just make it through TSA and like all that stuff, I'll feel so much better about everything. I've always wanted to study abroad. This program was actually something I wanted to do freshman year, and I was doing it sophomore year, and then COVID happened. So I'm just really happy to have this opportunity to study abroad. I've always wanted to leave the country. I'm freaking out to leave the country, so the fact that I'm going with UF students, it makes it a little bit better, and I'm going with a UF professor who knows the area. I feel like it's going to be a great experience. I'm going to have so much fun. And it's also going to be an opportunity for me to network with scientists abroad, because we are going to the University of Edinburgh and just doing so many things. I'm just super excited. Literally spring semester I worked 2 jobs so I could afford this trip. This was something that I really wanted to do. One thing that I would like to say is that I still have vlogs that I filmed in the fall semester and in the spring semester, 2021-2022. Like my homecoming video, my first week of spring semester. I have videos from October of 2021. It's currently May 7th. I just didn't have the time to edit because I was a full-time student. I think what I'm going to do, I'm gonna alternate my videos. So whenever I post a video, one video is gonna be my study abroad trip, and another video is going to be a video from like this past school year, just because I don't want to like keep these study abroad vlogs in storage for a long time. So y'all just gonna get the best of both worlds. So, you know, tune in every single week. My fashion theme for the study abroad trip is the color brown. So all of my clothes is like nude, brown, cream. I just wanted to do neutral. People told me like that's kind of boring, like why don't you add some color? The reason why I went with this color is because I do want to upgrade my closet, and I want to upgrade my closet with having more neutral tone colors and then just having like statement pieces. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm gonna do a little Amazon and Shein haul real quick. All right, so these are all of my packages. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. So the first thing that I have here are my batteries for my camera. This is a charger for the battery, and these are the batteries that I bought for my camera. Obviously I have a battery in my camera right now, and then I bought like 2 extra batteries. This one will have like the most amount of amps out of all the batteries that I saw, so that's the reason why I got this one, because it's gonna last me longer. Most likely I will be filming with both my camera and my phone. So the next item on my list, I got myself the USB-C to SD card reader adapter. This is my screen protector for my camera. It comes with wipes. So these are the screen protectors. This is my camera bag. Isn't it cute? Okay, so this is how the inside looks like. I feel like there's enough space in here for my camera and the microphone and like the extra batteries, and there's like a side pocket right here. Oh, and there's a zipper. This is a must. So this is my UK plug adapter. So I did not know this, but the UK, their outlets are different than the ones in the US. I have 2 UK adapters. So this is how their plugs look like. It has 3 holes here and then a USB. Next package is my microphone. So I'm not sure how the quality is right now. I'm currently using like the microphone that's already built into the camera. I hope this quality is good because I just recorded like 20 minutes of footage already. But I also bought a microphone. It's not necessary, but it's like I want to have the best audio for my videos because I do have a lot of talking videos that I want to do, and I want to make sure that the audio is nice and crisp. So what's in the box? A microphone, obviously, otherwise why did I pay for this? It comes with a furry windscreen, a shock mount, soft case, and it comes with the cable. This is my camera rig. I use this to like put the rig onto my camera. It's like a screw, and this is the rig itself. This is how it looks like. So I will So basically I will attach this to my camera, and it has different, I think they call them cold shoes. So like I can basically like add a tripod here, add a tripod here. So I can put the tripod like in any of these holes, or like any other accessories that has cold shoe mounts or just cold shoes, I can mount them onto this rig. There's also cold shoe holes here as well. So like if I wanted to like film vertical, I can just put my tripod on one of these cold shoe rings, and then I can have my camera stand this way vertical, so I can like film like a TikTok or a YouTube video on my camera, and it'll be vertical, and I'll have my tripod connected into one of these holes. And the best part about it is that it gives me space to access my SD card and my battery, because currently like I just have like the naked camera, and I have like my my 5 and below tripod attached to it. But in order for me to change the battery or to even access my SD card, I have to unscrew the tripod, and then I can access the camera and the SD card. But with this, it allows me to access that without the need of constantly having to remove the tripod every single time. And plus I can also add like multiple accessories onto this rig if needed. I also bought a wide angle lens. So I'm currently filming in 4K right now. So one thing about filming in 4K on the Sony ZV-1 is that when you record, it crops the image a little bit. What I mean crop is like once I hit record, it kind of like zooms in a little bit like into like the scenes. I'm short, I have short arms. So like when it comes to like filming in public, I have to like go like this in order for you to see my entire face in 4K, compared to when I film in 1080, it's a little bit more wider, just like a tiny bit. It's not like a big difference. But with this lens, I don't have to do that anymore. I can literally be like right here, and y'all can still see my entire face. A lot of YouTubers have recommended this. All of this is actually like my graduation gift. Like I am a big saver. I'm the type of person that I always save my money, but I don't know, recently I was like, I want to spoil myself, you know. I went through a lot through my undergrad years. I'm starting a new chapter of my life, but I was like, you know what, like I'm entering a new chapter. I want to travel, I want to like live life, and that requires money. So it's like, what's the point of saving all this money if I don't ever spend it, you know? But like not just like spend it like irresponsibly, but like reasonably. Like all of this, like my camera and all this equipment, all of this is really an investment for myself, because this is for my YouTube channel, you know. I really want to like go more in depth with my YouTube channel, take it more seriously. So I'm investing in myself. Like it's good to like splurge like here and there, not all the time. So these are my shoes to go abroad with. I really hope they look cute, and I really hope that it's the color that's advertised on Amazon, because I'll literally cry, because literally all of my outfits, so basically what I did, I took screenshots of every single outfit that I bought on Shein, and I put it onto a Word document, and then I like moved the pictures around, and every single outfit had to like look good with these boots. Like this was like the main character, and everything, all my outfits had to support the main character. Oh, these are so cute! Oh my gosh, y'all! It's like it's exactly the color. This was found at my Walmart in Gainesville, the one in Butler Plaza, for those of you who are in Gainesville. These are my brown leather pants. So these are my leather pants. Let me show you what I got from Shein. So these are my brown pants. It looked really good on the model, but I feel like this is gonna look so ugly on me. So I got my very first coat. I also bought a leather jacket. Y'all seen the color theme? It looks kind of yellow on camera, but it's actually like a cream color. It actually matches my Walmart boots. So I got my Walmart boots with this. Ooh. So I also have this right here. This is supposed to go with the vest. This is see-through. Like, you can't wear this alone. You have to wear something underneath it. So I bought a brown jacket. This is a Shein bag that I bought. I ordered black and brown sheer tights. Dress that I ordered, t-shirt to go with my brown pants. It's a jumpsuit. It's a one-shoulder romper jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. Look how cute this is. I bought this plaid skirt. This is just a brown long sleeve. This is just a long brown skirt. I bought fleece leggings. I bought sandals. So these are my clear heels. Silk brown button up. I have a list of all my outfits already. I just haven't tried them on, and I don't know if like my vision is actually gonna work out. So literally like all my outfits, it's gonna be my first time putting them together once I get there. That is all of my outfits and Amazon products. I'm gonna try on these outfits. I'm gonna do a quick wash. I'm gonna pack, and I'll see y'all later. Okay, so I finished trying all my clothes, and I'm currently washing them right now. Everything pretty much fit me. There were a couple of items, like it was a little bit big, but it wasn't to the point that like it wasn't wearable. Like I could still wear it. The only thing that didn't fit me is my airport outfit. Like that one's pretty big on me. Now I'm currently packing. I want to show y'all my new bag. So it says don't touch my curls. So it's actually a black owned company. Because my hair's already braided, I'm not really gonna be bringing any hair products. I'm gonna be putting my makeup products really in here. Definitely check them out. So I am going to be wearing a brand new perfume. It's called Je t'aime Paris for women. So I got this for I think my 16th or 18th birthday. I've never used it because I got a lot of perfume for my birthday, and I feel like it's the perfect moment to start wearing this perfume. That way when I come back and when I put this perfume on, it will remind me of my trip to England and Scotland.
Work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Hello.
Hi, so we're currently going to JFK Airport. We're leaving from Miami, and then from JFK we're going to London.
You're so stupid.
This is so cute.
It's so much fun though. I
this
just love
vlog is
this.
so cute,
I feel like so
though.
cool. Oh my god, this is not cute, but it's okay. Dirt, dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my tap, 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 tap. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. If I go back, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my tap, 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 tap. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking.
Hey y'all, so I am currently on the London train. We are on the Heathrow Express, and we finally made it to London. Bye. Bye. Kaylee. So we are now on our way to our hostel. I actually have no idea where we're going. I am putting all my trust into them. and hopefully we get there safely and everything. I got a new SIM card so I can like call and text from the UK. I exchanged some US dollars into pounds and pence. Throughout the entire plane ride, I pretty much slept the entire time. I wasn't editing YouTube videos, that didn't even happen. And I don't know if it's just me, but so we had like some turbulence on our plane ride. I personally don't mind the turbulence. I could fall asleep in turbulence. My mom, on the other hand, like she would freak out. For me, when the plane rocks a little bit, I could go straight to sleep. Let me know if y'all also feel the same way about that. I'm going to end this vlog right here, but make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my next vlog, which is going to be my London vlog. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.